Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds has announced a UK tour including a gig at Arena Birmingham. The band, which Noel formed after leaving Oasis, will be arriving in the city on May 1, 2018. Tickets for the gig go on sale on Friday, September 29. The tour news follows the announcement of a new album from the band, their third, titled Who Built the Moon. The album is out on November 24, although fans who pre-order it before September 27 will also get access to a tour pre-sale. Noel recently performed at the reopening of Manchester Arena gig We Are Manchester on September 9. Get tickets via the Ticket Factory here. Picture Noel Gallagher's High Flying Birds on stage in concert at the Genting Arena, Birmingham on April 29, 2016. Image Darren Quinton. Full UK tour dates are 22 April Brighton Centre, 24 April Glasgow the SSE Hydro, 25 April Aberdeen BHGE Arena, 27 April London the SSE Arena Wembley, 30 April Nottingham Motorpoint Arena, 1 May Birmingham Arena, 3 May Newcastle Metro Radio Arena, 4 May Manchester Arena, 6 May Cardiff Motorpoint Arena, 7 May Leeds First Direct Arena, 9 May Belfast the SSE Arena, 10 May Dublin 3 Arena. We're testing a new site. This content is coming soon. Noel's brother Liam is also coming to Arena Birmingham on Tuesday, December 12, 2017, and tickets are already on sale for that via the Ticket Factory website.